Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my private jungle. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'm gonna make incredible, unbelievable, amazing, super fantastic, insanely tasty cheese ham focaccia sandwich with my favorite, the one and only homemade pickles. In this case, it will be one pickle. Okay, check all ingredients that we need to create this extremely delicious sandwich. Hip hip Andre! Amigos, extremely delicious sandwich just landed in my office. Bon appetit! Even bon appetit very much. Hello, pretty sandwich, and goodbye. Even goodbye, my love, goodbye. Ooh la la, even ooh la la very much.